Welcome to Code Funhouse. Get ready for a thrilling adventure as we zoom through the world of Python together. Today, we're going to learn how to store whole numbers in Python. These special numbers are called integers. Just like counting the seats on a roller coaster, integers help us keep track of whole numbers. Let's see a typical example of this. Go to your Code Funhouse editor and type age equals sign 16. Print age. Awesome, it printed 16. See how easy that was? We just told Python to remember your age, and it showed us the number on the screen. Now it's your time to shine. Think of your favorite number, maybe the number of rides you want to go on, and tell Python to remember it. Then, ask Python to show it on the screen. Imagine you're at the entrance of the most awesome ride in the park. You need to figure out how many tickets are needed for you and your friends to hop on. Use Python to calculate the number of tickets based on everyone's age. And there you have it, a typical example of the integer data type and how to use it. See you next time on Code Funhouse. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more thrilling adventures on Code Funhouse. Bye!